All right, guys, so the easiest way to grow your Amazon business or your brand is not to find some revolutionary thing that needs to be done. It's simply to increase your SKUs or your catalog. Add a new product. The hardest work is when you're developing a new brand or you're selling on Amazon is finding that first product. Once you find that first product, you simply want to add to that catalog and increase the amount of inventory that you have, and that's one of the easiest ways to scale. In one of our previous videos, we talked about the easiest way to get to $1 million per year with the new brand is 4 products at around 25 units per day, each at a $30 price point, 30% profit margin. So in this video, I want to break down and give you guys a few different ideas and some examples as to how to find products to grow your catalog, right? So let's go to my whiteboard, and I have a few listed out. And the top is going to be beginner, advanced, expert. Now, this may even help you if you're looking for your first product, because there's different niches that you can look into. When we're talking about building a brand and developing a brand, we like to look for a brand or a niche where we can actually develop an audience, we can develop a culture, and that we can sustain growth in, right? So the first one is going to be beginner, advanced, expert. Now, you can cater to the beginner, you can cater to the advanced, you can cater to the expert. You could offer all three, or you could do an ascension from starting with the beginner product, then launching an advanced product, then launching an expert product. There is no rhyme or reason. This is just an example, right? Next is going to be youth, teens, adults, right? For instance, in one of our previous beauty products, we had bath bombs, right? And we had bath bombs geared towards youth, which had toys inside. We had bath bombs geared towards teens, which had some fun color / fragrance combinations, right? And then we had bath bombs geared towards adults, which were more relaxing and more sophisticated fragrances like lavender and eucalyptus, right? So that's 3 different examples as to how we cater to these 3 different demographics, right? Next, we have males or females. You can cater 100% to male, like male's testosterone, or 100% to females in terms of supplements or in terms of clothing or in terms of products. There's no rhyme or reason, right? Next is gonna be different organs. If you're in supplements or anything like that, there's different supplements that target different organs, right? You can target your eyes, you can target your kidneys, you can target your heart, you can target all different organs, right? Or all different parts of your bodies. Next is gonna be different animals. There's animal supplements, there's animal toys, there's animal food, there's all different types of things for animal. And animal niche is incredibly lucrative as well because people treat their animals just like their kids, right? Just like their family. Next is shower or bath, right? Some people love showers, some people love baths. I'll give you another example. In the beauty industry that I'm in, right? Bath bombs crush it. Well, so do shower tablets or shower steamers, right? I have a steam shower at my home. I love showers. I also love baths. So products that we're adding to the catalog are going to be shower-based products, right? Next is going to be different sports. You have baseball, football, basketball, tennis, golf, pickleball, swimming, wrestling, sword fighting, right? You have all these different types of motocross, mountain biking. You have all these different types of sports, and you can go into different verticals, or you can just dive into owning one vertical. Next is used after or with. What is a product that's used after or with? I'll give you a real simple example is in going back to the beauty, because that's my niche. I know a lot about that niche. I just got my hair cut, right? And I bought some beard balm, and then I bought beard shampoo, and then I bought beard conditioner. So those are the 3 products that are used one before the other, and they're used in different tiers, right? So first you're gonna use the shampoo, and then you're gonna use the conditioner, and then when you get out and you dry off, then you're gonna use the beard balm. So those are 3 different products, and then you can even tier it on with before the beard balm, you use the beard oil, and then you use the beard balm. And now that's 4 products. And remember, if you can get 4 products selling 25 units per day at $30 price point, that's a $1 million run rate per year, right? And then lastly, we have accessories. So these are some of the most popular ways and the easiest ways to identify what should that first or that next product be. When it comes to scaling, there's only so many things that you can do to increase your business, and the goal should be to get to that 6-figure or 7-figure annual run rate within around a 12-month time frame, 12 to 24-month time frame. So number 1 is going to be adding more inventory to your existing product. Number 2 is going to be adding more marketing and increasing your marketing budget to your existing product. And then number 3 is going to be adding to your catalog. So hopefully this helps. If you got any value whatsoever, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed or you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button, and next to it, hit that notification bell so you're notified every single week when we drop new videos that are going to help you increase your income, your impact, and your influence. And remember, you're only one product away.